If you are over 60 and dealing with leg pain, tingling, numbness, weakness, heaviness, or restless nights, you are far from alone. Aging naturally brings changes that affect circulation, nerve signaling, muscle mass, and tissue repair. Over time, these changes can make simple daily activities such as walking, standing for long periods, climbing stairs, or sleeping through the night much more difficult than they once were. What many people do not realize is that a large number of these symptoms are closely linked to declining nerve and muscle health in the legs. Years of wear and tear, reduced blood flow, chronic inflammation, past injuries, and conditions like diabetes can all interfere with how well nerves communicate with muscles. When this communication weakens, the result may be aching, burning sensations, cramps, poor balance, muscle fatigue, and frequent nighttime discomfort. While medical treatment is important, daily lifestyle choices, especially hydration and nutrition, play a powerful role in how nerves and muscles age. What you drink every day can strongly influence inflammation levels, circulation, nerve repair, muscle strength, and even sleep quality. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Senior Health Vitality. By joining our community, you'll get regular tips, advice, and proven strategies to stay healthy, strong, and full of energy every day. The first drink that deserves attention is green tea. Green tea has been widely studied for its protective effects on both nerves and muscles, especially as the body ages. It is rich in catechins, a group of antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which is one of the main drivers of nerve degeneration and muscle weakness. Chronic, low-grade inflammation is common in older adults and can quietly damage nerve fibers over time. Green tea helps calm this inflammation while also supporting healthier blood vessels. Improved circulation allows more oxygen, glucose, and essential nutrients to reach the legs, where nerves and muscles often suffer from poor blood flow. With consistent use, drinking 2 to 3 cups of freshly brewed green tea per day may help reduce leg fatigue, ease feelings of heaviness, improve endurance, and support more stable movement throughout the day. The second drink is turmeric golden milk, which is especially helpful for people who experience tingling, numbness, burning sensations, cramps, or deep aching in the legs. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound known for its strong anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and nerve protective properties. Curcumin helps reduce swelling around irritated nerves, which can ease pressure and improve signal transmission between nerves and muscles. It also supports the body's natural repair mechanisms, which tend to slow down with age. When turmeric is combined with warm milk and a small amount of black pepper, absorption of curcumin improves significantly. This makes golden milk not only effective but also soothing. Drinking it in the evening can help relax tight muscles, calm the nervous system, and prepare the body for deeper, more restorative sleep when much of nerve and muscle repair takes place. The third drink is beetroot juice, one of the most effective natural options for improving circulation to the lower body. Beets are naturally high in dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide plays a crucial role in relaxing and widening blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily to the legs and feet. This is particularly important for older adults, as circulation to the lower extremities often declines with age. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach weakened nerves and tired muscles, supporting energy production and healing. Beetroot also contains betalains, antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. Drinking a small glass of fresh beetroot juice daily, especially in the morning or before light physical activity, may help improve leg strength, walking endurance, and overall nerve function. The fourth drink focuses on blueberries, most commonly enjoyed as a smoothie. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect nerve cells from oxidative damage and help reduce inflammation throughout the body. These compounds also support healthy blood vessel function, which is essential for delivering nutrients to nerves and muscles in the legs. In addition, blueberries have been linked to better coordination and cognitive motor connection, which plays a role in balance and fall prevention. A daily blueberry smoothie made with unsweetened plant-based milk, leafy greens, and seeds such as flax or chia provides fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that work together to support resilient muscles, responsive nerves, and steadier movement. The fifth drink is chamomile tea, which offers gentle but significant support for nerve discomfort and nighttime leg problems. Chamomile contains apigenin, a natural compound that helps calm overactive nerve signals and reduce inflammation. For many older adults, leg symptoms worsen at night, leading to restless legs, burning sensations, cramps, or frequent waking. Chamomile tea helps relax both the mind and the body, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Drinking chamomile tea about 30 minutes before bedtime can promote deeper, more restorative sleep, which is essential for overnight nerve healing, muscle repair, and hormonal balance. The sixth drink is bone broth, a traditional remedy that provides deep nourishment for aging nerves, muscles, and joints. Bone broth is rich in collagen and amino acids such as glycine, proline, and glutamine, which support tissue repair and help maintain the protective structures surrounding nerves. As we age, natural collagen production declines, contributing to joint stiffness, muscle weakness, and slower recovery. Regular consumption of bone broth helps replenish these building blocks, supporting smoother nerve conduction, stronger connective tissue, and improved mobility. Sipping warm bone broth daily or using it as a base for soups can help reduce stiffness, support balance, and make everyday movement more comfortable. The seventh drink is ginger tea, a powerful natural option for reducing inflammation and improving circulation in the legs. Ginger contains bioactive compounds that help decrease swelling, protect nerve cells, and enhance blood flow. These effects make ginger tea particularly helpful for people dealing with stiffness, aching legs, or neuropathy-related discomfort. Ginger also supports digestion and nutrient absorption, which indirectly benefits nerve and muscle health. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of ginger tea per day may gradually reduce pain, improve flexibility, and support healthier nerve signaling over time. The eighth drink is dark cocoa made from unsweetened cocoa powder. Dark cocoa is rich in flavonoids that support vascular health, improve blood vessel function, and reduce inflammation. Healthy blood vessels are essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to muscles and nerves in the legs. Cocoa flavonoids also help protect nerve cells from oxidative damage. When prepared with minimal or no added sugar, dark cocoa can be both comforting and beneficial. Enjoying it a few times per week may support leg strength, circulation, and overall nerve health. The ninth drink is almond milk, which provides key nutrients that support both nerve and muscle function. Almond milk contains vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats that help protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and support proper muscle contraction. Magnesium plays a critical role in calming nerve activity and preventing muscle cramps, spasms, and twitching, which are common complaints among older adults. Choosing unsweetened almond milk helps avoid excess sugar, which can increase inflammation and worsen nerve symptoms. Regularly including almond milk in your diet can support steadier nerve signals, more relaxed muscles, and improved comfort in the legs. By making small, consistent choices each day, especially choosing drinks that support circulation, reduce inflammation, and nourish nerves and muscles, you can give your legs the support they need as you age. Over time, these simple habits may help reduce discomfort, improve mobility, and allow you to move, rest, and sleep with greater comfort and confidence. If you found this video helpful and want more simple, science-based tips to support your heart and overall health, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community. By subscribing, you'll never miss a video that can help you live stronger, longer, and healthier.